Hey everyone, welcome back to Techo AV. Today, we're checking out one of the sleekest gaming laptops of 2025, the Lenovo Legion Slim 5 Gaming 16AHP9 powered by the all-new Ryzen 7 8845HS. Thin, powerful, and packed with AI features, let's see if it lives up to the hype. This machine is powered by AMD's latest Ryzen 7 8845HS processor, 8 cores, 16 threads, clocked at up to 5.1 GHz. But what really makes it future-ready is AMD's integrated AI engine. With up to 16 TOPS of NPU power, you'll get smarter performance, better battery optimization, and enhanced AI features in creative and productivity apps. The 16-inch WQXGA display is stunning, 2560 by 1600 resolution, 165 Hz refresh rate, and 100% sRGB for color accuracy. It also supports GSYNC and FreeSync Premium, making it perfect for gamers. Powered by the NVIDIA RTX 4050 with 6 GB of VRM and 100 WTGP, it balances performance and efficiency beautifully. You get a fast 512 GB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD and 16 GB of DDR5 RAM at 5600 MHz. The storage is upgradable, and performance in real-world tasks is super snappy, whether it's multitasking, video editing, or gaming. The 80 WH battery holds up well, giving around 5 to 6 hours on mixed use. The 170W charger is slim and fast. Port-wise, it's a beast, dual USB-CS with DisplayPort, full-size HDMI 2.1, card reader, Ethernet, and more. No dongle drama here. Pros: strong CPU and GPU combo. AI-enabled features. Excellent display and ports. Modern design with RGB keyboard.